All right, welcome to MarineMax of Rogers. My name is Josh Simonson. Today, I want to walk you through a 2016 Bennington 25-foot pontoon that we have here as a pre-owned unit. There's a lot to cover on this particular unit, so let's take a look. Got nice flooring here on the bow, so if you need to get off by a dock or anything, it's nice just to have that area to walk on. As you can see here, we've got a nice, the Bennington on the side. We got really cool LED blue lights underneath on both sides of the pontoon. As we come to the back, again, nice big platform back here to hang out with the family. We got a nice boarding ladder. There are underwater lights. And then finally, the engine. So we have the 4-stroke Yamaha 115 horsepower engine. So that is all set to go for you for a wonderful day on the lake. So lots to see on the interior. Why don't you climb aboard with me? All right, welcome aboard this 2016 Bennington 25-foot pontoon that we have here as a pre-owned unit. So we'll start here with the bow. Plenty of seating in this 25-footer. Really like this this layout here with the two captain's chairs side by side. You've got seating all the way around on this side as well with storage underneath those. You got an armrest that'll pop down with a cup holder, cup holders here. Got your stereo up in here. So if you're looking to hang out with the family and friends, this is a great place to do that. So let's continue walking back. A little bit of storage underneath the helm. Some more seating along the port side here with storage underneath. And then if you'll see on the floor, this is the place where you would put a table. So we have that as well. Up here at the helm area. So we've obviously got our captain's chair. This is a raised helm, so you can get yourself a little bit higher if there's people in front of you. We've got the kicker sound system, so speakers, like I mentioned in the bow, you got some back here and then some in the back as well. There is a Garmin GPS unit in here along with your regular gauges. So you've got some LED lighting on the interior with the blue lighting, and then there also is some on the exterior as well. You can see here you have the nice big bimini. This is in the lower position, so if you have to get into a lift and put it down, you can do it to this area right here. And then right in the back here, really cool. There are two lounging seats right back here. So there's a little bit of storage underneath both of them. But if you want to hang out on a gorgeous day out on the lake, this is the place to be. So you can see they have the rails all the way around. So as you're moving, this is what makes it legal to sit back here while the boat is underway. So this is the 2016 pre-owned Bennington 25-foot pontoon that we have here at our Rogers location. So if you want to come take a look at this boat, give us a call and set up an appointment, or just stop on by. We'd love to show it to you. As always, click the like button for these videos and click to subscribe to see all the videos we're putting out every day.